Hello and welcome to today's video update on the BitClub network platform. I'm Leonard Agala, your number one BitClub network partner all the way from Africa. And in today's video update on BitClub network, I want to show you how I made $600 in a day. Yeah, in one day with this new account. Now, if I scroll down here, you'll see this is a $500 mining shares which I bought, and when I bought this, I registered this account was on the 11th of January 2018. And normally, as a new user, once you buy any share with BitClub network, you have to wait for 30 days before you are being paid. After that 30 days, you then start receiving your mining reward every day. And I still have 1 day to go. As you can see here, the days to expire it will be 1001 day. So this will definitely, I will start earning after tomorrow daily on the mining shares that I have gotten. But apart from the mining pool, the daily mining pool, you can as well make a whole lot of money through the referral program. And I have a wonderful team that has been very helpful, helping all of us here in Africa. And with their effort, with the effort of Frank and Philebo, I have been able to grow this account to earn $600 in 1 day. And let's just go to my BitClub, to my wallet here. This now, with the recent update, BitClub network now accepts Bitcoin Cash and they pay in Bitcoin Cash. So transaction will be easier for people to buy in and send money out, send their Bitcoin Cash. But there is equally a conversion tool that you can use to convert. Though this video is not for all those details, I just want to show you that it is true that I've made $600 in 1 day with BitClub network through the help of my team, and this is my balance. If you go into your browser as of the time of making this video, Bitcoin Cash is at the rate of $1,300. So this is actually the worth of the $600 which I made. Yes, that is very wonderful. Very, very wonderful. As you can see here, this is the credit for on the 8th of February. Bitcoin Cash sender is Amin, and the receiver, you can see I'm the person received 600 USD binary trade cycle commissions for 3 cycles. And to go to my binary team, let me just show you that this is actually really cool cash that I've made with the BitClub network. So you can be a part of this and start earning from today. So this is the transaction for yesterday. And now from the instruction here is that each cycle pays $200. And to get the cycle is that you have 15 credit on your right and then plus 15 credit on your left. So that is actually what I have here. I have 3 cycles, that is 15 by 3 making 45, and left 45, right 45, and that was what gave me the $600 which I have earned. So if you have not joined the system yet, you are missing a lot. So I'll urge you to go ahead and sign up and join my team, because my sponsors are ready to help everyone grow in this business. The links are below, so you can go ahead and sign up, and see you next in the next video.